Hi, I'm Trent, Program Manager at Ascentive, with this week's review of Ascentive Trade Map portfolio activity and investment results. If you're a full subscriber to Ascentive Trade Map, you already know it was an absolutely phenomenally profitable week. But before we begin our review, I'd like to take a moment to answer one of our most commonly asked questions. Do Ascentive team members personally hold positions recommended by Ascentive Trade Map? We understand there should always be full disclosure of the personal interests of everyone in a financial capacity. And the simple answer is yes. We do indeed take similar positions personally as given to full subscribers in the daily buy and sell alert emails, and that's because we are strong believers in the power of Ascentive Trade Map to predict winning investments. Ascentive doesn't intend to manage which investment subscribers should buy or sell for themselves without using independent judgment and research. Now let's take a look together at the past week. Trading volume this week was a little less than normal due to the Canada Day holiday on Friday and in anticipation of Monday's upcoming Independence Day holiday in the US. We began the week with 8 open positions running an investment return of 131%. 2 of our positions were in negative territory, totaling $1,235 on the downside, but still giving our full subscribers a running unrealized profit of $21,634. Don't forget you can upgrade your subscription to receive daily buy and sell alert emails to build your own account with insanely great returns like this too. Just go to ascentive.blog. You can cancel your full subscription anytime. But guess what? We've never yet had a single cancellation. Not one. During the week, 5 positions were closed, realizing a take-home net profit of $3,131. Fortunately, the August feeder cattle futures contract was prevented from creating deep losses for the portfolio by its trailing stop-loss order after the position had been open for only 4 days. It never feels good to be stopped out of a position so soon after opening the trade. But Ascentive Trade Map investing must be emotionless investing. We pay attention to the guidance and understand that no investment is ever a certainty. Fortunately, this doesn't happen often, but when it does, we endure the volatility and trust the process for a better outcome next time. And that was certainly the case for our trades this week. Take a look at the daily profits and losses that happened during the week. 2 positions closed for losses on Tuesday, but newly opened trades during the week more than made up for the declines by far. So, now let's take a look at the trades we opened during the week to drive such great results for us. During the week we opened 6 positions, 4 of which are shown here. 2 additional open signals have been emailed to Ascentive Trade Map full subscribers for Monday's market opening. The total initial margin requirement for your risk capital required this week was particularly large because of the minimum initial margin required by brokers for the August gold futures contract. Don't forget you can always open a micro-sized contract of a commodity so that your investment returns remain high even if the absolute dollar amount of profits is reduced. This is also a great way of reducing your risk, especially if you're still growing your confidence and expertise in futures trading. We've ended the week with 9 open positions with total unrealized profits running at $28,881. This is from an investment of about the same amount, $28,297. Most important, we're running an investment return of an incredible 102%. That's an above-average return even for Ascentive Trade Map investors, so we should expect that to decline a bit during the coming week. As much as we'd all like these super high returns to continue, they will subside, and possibly right as we begin the week. Next week's trading will be shortened due to the Independence Day holiday in the US on Monday. You can download the reduced trading hours for the holiday week by clicking on the links provided to full subscribers in Friday's buy and sell alert email. That's our review of the past week, and I think you'll agree it was a particularly great one. Although Ascentive Trade Map investing is based exclusively on technical analysis, here are some fundamental items of note happening next week. International PMI surveys tracking business sentiment throughout the UK and Eurozone will be released on Tuesday. Meeting minutes for the US Federal Reserve's latest policy meeting, held in mid-June, will become available Wednesday. And the US Labor Department's June non-farm payrolls report is due for release on Friday. But again, those are subjective fundamentals. Instead, keep looking for the Ascentive buy and sell alerts in your inbox each trading day. They are the purely objective indicators we follow. Have a great week and thanks for being an Ascentive Trade Map investor.